Welcome back, everybody. Will Worsham joins us now for this week's Speaking Legal discussion, where we answer a viewer's legal question on the air. So let's take a look at that question, see what he has to say. It says, my daughter bought a car from a used car dealership. This car's under warranty, but has had problems ever since we got it. We took the car in, and the dealership supposedly fixed the problem, but the same issues are still occurring. What can we do? Will, what do you say?
Yeah, those are always tough issues. And this is not a case really where lemon law would apply. It's a little different scenario there. We'll talk about that someday when it comes up. This really is a scenario. The first thing that we need to do is get this car fixed. So I would take it anywhere, a reputable repair shop, and get the car fixed. Now, it's under warranty, so you're going to have a claim. If it's under $5,000, the appropriate venue is going to be small claims court.
Well, now, what's the procedure there?
Well, that's what's great about small claims court. There's really not a lot of procedure. There's a form you can download. You can pick it up from the clerk's office. You can just go in and pick up the form, fill it out. This is my claim. This is what I'm asking for. This is a short statement of the facts. You can actually even download a form from courts.mo.gov.
Okay.
A lot of good information on there, actually. But you can download the petition, and then you go to court, take it to the appropriate courthouse. So if it's a Springfield case, it would be Greene County. File it with the clerk's office. There's a small filing fee. It'll get on the docket. It'll be served to the other party. You'll get a court date. You get to come in. Both sides get to tell their side of the story, basically.
Are you representing yourself, or do you bring in representation?
Well, generally speaking, in small claims court, you are going to represent yourself. That's one of the benefits to it, is there are no rules of evidence. So you don't have to play by the rules like you do in normal court. It's kind of like what you might see on TV court.
And so again, so since they've tried to get it fixed where they bought it, didn't work, you would suggest doing this rather than trying again? Or would you first maybe contact them and say, no, this just didn't work? You
could try again. It just seems like they've maybe attempted that a couple of times.
They've done that already.
And if that's not getting the job done, you can take it, get this other repair shop to do it. You'll have to pay their bill. But then if that's an $800 repair bill, then you go to small claims court and say, hey, you owe me the $800.
I guess if you have a used car with $5,000 or more wrong with it, you're in trouble anyway. But I mean, okay, now is this something, good idea, once again, to have documentation, what you've had done before, what you have just had done? Anything like that? Anything
you can do to show the judge, to help the judge make a decision, is going to be very much in your favor. So you can go in there, your word against theirs, but if you've got documentation, that's really going to help. Now, if things don't go your way in a small claims court case, you can appeal that. It's called a trial de novo, a little Latin word, just means new trial. Now, at that, it does go to the Associate Circuit Court level. The rules of evidence do apply, and at that point, you are going to want to have a lawyer for sure.
Okay.
You can have a lawyer in small claims court, but the whole point of it is it's not necessary.
Do delays happen in small claims court like that? So in other words, can the other party just sort of keep delaying and delaying? You say you don't have to play fair, and I don't think that's necessarily fair, but does that happen?
You do have to play fair. It's just that the formal rules of evidence don't apply.
Those don't apply. But then again, can you find yourself never ending in this battle?
Probably not.
Really?
I mean, every side's going to get an opportunity. If they need a continuance, they're going to be granted one, but the judge isn't going to let it drag on forever.
And this is, I mean, it sounds as though it's fairly easy to do. Anyone can do this. And this is, I guess, when you get back down to the real basics of law, one person, another person, and the person who decides in the middle kind of thing.
Yes, that's the point. The point is it's supposed to be easy for somebody to come in on a small claim, like I said, $5,000 or less, and not have to hire a lawyer, because generally anytime you get to go into court and have to have evidence, it's going to cost you almost $5,000 to have a lawyer involved in something like that. It sort of defeats the whole purpose.
All right. So the small things, small claims court, anything beyond that, find a lawyer.
Find a lawyer.
Okay.
Good advice as always. Before we go, would you like a bite of some delicious dog food?
You know, I'll give it a try, but only because I know you said it was for humans.
Oh my gosh,
That's right,
I really liked
humans.
it. I'm just telling you, I think it's pretty good.
She's gone for half of it, Hope they're all working there.
It's not
Work
bad.
for you?
It's pretty good.
All right.
But you never thought you'd be eating dog food on TV?
No, never.
If you have a legal question or any extra dog food you want to get rid of, you can email him at wworsham@color10.com, and he's going to answer your question right on the show, as he did today.
As he did. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And we'll be back with more right after this. Stick around. Take one.